In this video we're going to be looking at the laws of logarithms, and this is quite an important part, and so you must make sure that you learn these very carefully and practice with them. So let's reiterate how we go from index notation to logarithmic notation. So if you have something of the form y is equal to b to the x, then its logarithmic notation is x is equal to log base b of y. Going from index notation to logarithmic notation and vice versa. So law number one. The first law says that if you have two logarithms with the same base, so we've got base b, and we're adding them together, then this is equal to log base b of p times q. And so you can combine the logarithms together. So for example, if you had log base 7 of 3 plus log base 7 of 4, then this is log base 7 of 12. The 3 and the 4 multiply together and make the 12. So if when we add logarithms we multiply, it doesn't take too much to then think about where if we subtract logarithms, we must be dividing. So log base p of p, subtract log base b of q is log base b of p over q, p divided by q. So for example, if you've got log base 8 of 10 and take away log base 8 of 2, then this is log base 8 of 10 over 2, 5. 10 divided by 2. The third law says that if you have a number out of the front of your logarithm, then it can be brought up to the power of the q. So log base b of q to the p. So for example, if you had 3 log 9 of 2, then this is the same thing as log 9 of 8. Because we can write that as log base 9 of 2 to the power of 3, which is log base 9 of 8. And that's how we can manipulate logarithms either way. Now these are the three main laws of logarithms, but there's a couple of other things that really you need to know. So next up, if you have log base b of b, okay, then that would be 1. Okay, so how this works is that if you manipulate this back into index notation, this is saying that b to the power of 1 is b. b to the 1 is b, which we know. Okay, so you could replace any 1 that you see with log b of b. The other thing to spot is that if you have log base b of 1, then this is always 0, regardless of the base. Because b to the 0 is 1. Whichever number you like to the power of 0 is always 1. So these are two incredibly important things to note and make sure you know, which can go along with your three laws of logarithms.